Hi and welcome to O Scholars Tutorial. I'm Jay and this video we're talking about sessions. Now the sessions we're talking about is academic sessions, and we're talking about configuration of them and creating of new session whenever the new session is about to start. Now who does that is the ICT admin, and the account that is currently logged in is the account of an ICT admin. Now the dashboard for creating session is actually seen after clicking this see more, and if we click that see more, we'll go down the page, and down the page we'll see these sessions, and we can click on create sessions. We can also click on view sessions to actually see already created session. Let's just click on it and see already created sessions. Now we have that there are about 3 sessions that were created previously. Then this one is about is 2009-2010 section, that is the name, and the resumption date was in Saturday 19 September 2009. The vacation date was in Saturday 31st July 2010. The start year was 2009, and whether it's a current session is no longer a current session, so a previous session. Now therefore we can actually go forward to actually look at other ones, and the same way other items are in the represented on the platform. We have the capability of editing them, we have the capability of deactivating them. For example, this one is 2014-2015 session. That's the name. The name is that, and if you come down, you find out that is the current session. And there is one design principle in this platform whereby at each point in time there should be one and only one session and term that is marked current. There can never be 2 terms that are current at the same time, and at each point in time there must be at least one term that is marked as current, or one session that is marked as and also one session that is marked as current. Now we have that this one 2014-2015 is marked as current, and this particular setting will always be used across the application in terms of what? In terms of bringing up some interfaces, actually referencing the particular session that is current and referencing the particular term that is current. Now we have that for that, and if we want to create a new session, we can click on this home button, those colors and this icon. Then we come down the page, we access the tab, the dashboard for it. We click on create session, and when we click on that create session, we'll be presented with this form. Then we have to fill it. The name of the session which may be interested in creating is a 2017/2018 academic session. The resumption date may have been in September, maybe 11th of September 2017, and the vacation date may probably be in July. Maybe we'll have 20th July 2018. The start year should be 2017, and is not the current session. Now, and even if it's to be created as a current session, after creating it, you go and deactivate the session that is actually marked as current and come back and activate it as current. You can then save it, activate it as current by editing it. Now you can then save this one we have created, and it gives us a view of what we actually created so that we can check and confirm that this is what we entered and intend to create. And as you can see, it confirms what we intend to create, except 20. There's no 0. The 0 here doesn't show, so we can go forward and edit it to match exactly what we intend to create. So this is 0, and we can then click on edit, and that becomes correctly written as 2017/2018 academic session. It says that the session was edited successfully. Thank you for checking out this video. We look forward to seeing you in the next video, and we urge you to make sure that your school is signed up on All Scholars. Goodbye.